Hey everybody, it's Damasterstylist and I'm back with another tutorial. You guys know that like 29, 30 of my videos got deleted and I was a little upset, still upset, but you know what? I'm not gonna let that hold me down. I'm gonna keep going and I'm just gonna pump these videos out to you guys and just start over from scratch. So right now I already did the installation. I have previous videos on how to do the installation for this, so it's pretty much the same technique. I'm using Mint foam to mold her hair in finger wave. And the thing about it with doing wave and weave, it's not as easy as it is just waving regular hair, because the weft is in a certain way and that's the way it is, so you kind of got to work around it. So the main thing is focusing on the top layer of the hair and not really trying to wave like the whole, all the way down to the scalp, because that's where it kind of gets hard. So I'm gonna finger wave her the sides, the same technique basically that you would use if you were just finger waving for someone with their real hair. And you can do 2 combs or you can do your fingers. It's really just personal preference, but just paying attention to small detail around the hairline, around the neckline, because that's what gives the hair that nice look. And I'm just applying the foam as I go in sections instead of doing it all over then going back and wave. I like it to be fresh and not semi dried out. So the client goes under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And then after that, we bring them back. And then you're basically just curling in the direction of each wave. I'm using my H2 Pro micro iron. I will have a link in the description box on where you can purchase it. This iron is a 3/10 iron. To me, I think it's easier to curl on the sides and make the hair flat. Don't y'all be talking about my nails. I need to get my nails done, but I've been so distraught about my videos too. I just don't even care.
Purchase your tracks today.
So we're just gonna do that motion all the way around, and I'm sorry. You're gonna just do that motion all the way around the head. And if you notice, as I am curling, I'm also kind of smashing the curl in so that everything is flat to her head and not sticking out. Y'all pray with me that I'm able to get my videos back. They did email me and said that If I have the actual link to the videos, that I could get those videos, restored. I was able to find about eight to 10 links. So if any of you guys have shared my video on, your Facebook pages or anything like that, please give me the link to that share, so that I can try to get my videos restored. So we're just doing the same thing all the way around. Nothing is changing. And then once I get to the top, now I'm using my Red by Kiss, the titanium 1/2 inch for the top. Still using the micro iron by H2 Pro for the sides. So for the top, like I said, I'm using my H2 Pro. I'm sorry, my Red by Kiss 1/2 inch iron, and I'm just doing like little neat curls. Her hair was actually installed last week, and this is pretty much just a recurl. So I just re-waved it and recurled. And I'm using Janet Collection 28 piece all over. I didn't put any straight hair because I've been seeing a couple videos just using all 28 piece. So I'm like, let me try that out. And it works. Just the texture of the hair just can't be, curled. Too much heat applied too many times. So I explained to her that I can't recurl it again. And if y'all hear all kind of weird noises, I'm outside. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning and my house is up making noise. So I had to step outside to do this voiceover. And everybody asks, is there like a specific way? I just kind of go. I don't really have like a pattern that I use. I just do whatever works for a person's head at the time. And whatever I just in the mood or feel like doing. As long as everything is flat, it meshes together well, so it doesn't look like they have two different hairstyles on their head, then do it. get these videos pumped out to y'all. You know, I'm gonna try to do 3-4 a week. So, you know, if you guys not subscribe, ring the bell so you can get notifications, because devil not gonna hold me down. You know, even if I can't get my videos back, which I'm praying I do, I'm still gonna keep going. You know, there's always a lesson in everything that happens, and I learned a lot. I learned a lot with losing my videos, but I'm not gonna let it hold me down. I'm gonna keep going. So now I'm just sprayed my shine spray by Affirm on there, and then we just kind of pull the curls apart with your finger, and you know, that's pretty much it. And believe it or not, I absolutely hate doing this hairstyle in the salon just because of the time. But there she is. She is ready. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. If you aren't already, give this video a thumbs up. And you guys stay tuned for the next video. Mwah.